Find a comfortable position, lying down, your back fully supported, held by the surface beneath you. There is nothing to do here, nothing to fix, just arrive. Gently closing your eyes and allowing the body to soften gradually in its own time. Bringing your awareness to the points of contact with the surface beneath you. Notice where your heels touch, your back, the back of your head, back of your shoulders, your glutes, calves. You don't have to hold yourself up right now. The ground is doing that for you. And now bring awareness to your breath, not changing it, just following it. Following the rhythm of the breath, the in, the out, noticing the natural rise and fall of the belly, the expansion on the inhale and the slow release on the exhale. And now move your awareness gently through your body. Begin at your crown, softening through the forehead. Bring awareness to the eyes, allowing the eyebrows, the eyelashes to soften. Let go of all the muscles that surround the eyes. Soften the ears, the cheeks, and the jaw. Releasing the jaw. Tongue resting heavy in the roof of the mouth. The neck and the shoulders soften, feeling the shoulders drop, the arms heavy, warm, the hands gently resting, fingers slightly curled, softening through the chest, the belly gently rising and falling, letting go of the hips, softening to the surface beneath you. Soften through the legs, the knees, the feet, the ankles, your whole body soft and still. And now bring awareness to your right hand thumb, your right first finger, middle finger, ring finger, and little finger, palm of your right hand and the top of your right hand, your right wrist, forearm, elbow and upper arm. Your right shoulder, right waist, right hip, right thigh, right knee, lower leg, ankle, sole of the foot, the top of the foot, and all of the toes on the right foot, starting with the big toe, second toe, third toe, fourth toe, and little toe. And now bring awareness to the left hand thumb, the left first finger, middle finger, ring finger, and little finger, the palm of the left hand, and the top of the left hand, the left wrist, forearm, elbow and upper arm, the left shoulder, the left waist, the left hip, the left thigh, knee, lower leg, ankle, sole of the left foot, the top of the left foot, and all of the toes on the left foot, big toe, second toe, third toe, fourth toe, and little toe. The root at the base of the spine, the sacrum, the solar plexus, the heart, the throat, the mind's eye, and the crown. And now notice if any part of your body is holding on. Did you let go of all the tension? And if there is any tension, there's no need to fight that. Just breathe towards it. And let it be exactly as it is. And as you rest here, your body is learning something. That this stillness is not lazy, but a signal. A message to your nervous system that you are safe, that you are not under any threat. You're not on alert. You are just here. breathing and being. And each slow exhalation turns down the dial, moving out of survival mode into rest, repair, rejuvenate. There's no need to overthink or understand it for it to work, because your body already knows how to do this. And if it helps, begin to count the breath. Inhale 1, exhale, inhale 2, exhale. Count your way all the way up to number 10, and then start all over again. And if you lose count at any time, that's not doing it wrong. Just notice it and begin again at number 1. This is the practice. Coming back to presence over and over again. And when you're ready, begin to bring some movement back into your body. Beginning to wiggle your fingers and toes, rolling gently onto your side, doing whatever feels good. Take in a slow, full breath. Exhale, let it go. And notice how you feel now compared to when you first began. Is there a little more space? A little more ease? You are nurturing your mind and your body in real time here. Gently blinking your eyes open only when it feels right, and staying here for as long as you want. Namaste.